How to fix League of Legends game not opening. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix League of Legends game not opening. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to your search bar next to your start menu, and once you do so you're going to find Task Manager. So just click on Task Manager, and once you're here what you're going to do is you find the option for details. So just click on details. And once you do so, what you're going to do is click on name and then type L. So once you type L, you'll be able to see League client over here. So what you're going to do, click on it and then click on end task and click on end process. Once you do so, you're going to click on name again and type for R. So once you type R, you'll be able to see Riot client. So you can just click on it. And once you do so, you're going to end task for this again. So just click on it, click on end task, click on end process, and then you can try restarting your game and your issue would resolve. However, if the issue is still there, what you're going to do is go to your search bar again and type Riot client, then right click on it, click on open file location. So once you click on open file location, what you're going to do is right click on it again and click on open file location. And here you got to right click on Riot client service, and after that you got to click properties. So once you click on properties, you're going to click on compatibility and then make sure that both of these boxes are checked. Just run the program as an administration and disable. So just make sure these options are enabled, and after that you can go back, click on League of Legends, and here you're going to find this League client. So just right click on League client, click on properties, and then you're going to click on compatibility and make sure both of these boxes are checked over here as well, and then click on OK. Once done, what you're going to do is you're going to click on game and then make sure that the properties over here are also enabled. After that, you're going to try restarting your game and your issue would be resolved. However, if the issue is still there, you can go to the search bar again and type for League of Legends and right click on it, open in file location, right click on it again, click on properties and just click on compatibility, and here make sure both of these boxes are checked. Now this would resolve your issue and your game would be able to run smoothly. So that was how you can fix League of Legends game not opening. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.